Hey everyone, it is Friday, August 5th. The time is just before 7:30 p.m. and the temperature right now is around 21 degrees Celsius. And I am here in Amsterdam. And I'm about a block and a half away from my hotel, and the plan for this one is to head on over to the Hotel Mercier. And I'll take a quick walk around the property, providing this car doesn't back into me. And we'll also take a look around the room. And I'll share some of my thoughts on this particular hotel property. This is my last night in Amsterdam, and I checked in on Sunday afternoon.
But it's because your mom probably also holds on to it. Do you know?
This is in a part of the city known as the Jordaan. You will have to excuse me for my mispronunciation of things. And this street, I believe, is Prinsengracht. And you might have heard of the famous Anne Frank house. That is just off in that direction. Central Station, where I arrived from the airport train, is just off in that direction. And Dam Square is just off in that direction, so it's quite convenient. And this intersection is manned by crossing guards. And there is a tram that runs along it. I haven't had any reason to take it yet. And I ate lunch at this restaurant, the Amigo restaurant. And that's an Argentinian restaurant, and the steak I had there was quite good. Probably the best meal I've had here. And those church bells go like clockwork every 30 minutes. And if I'm ever wondering where I am in proximity to my hotel, I can always look down the canals, and when I see that church, I know I'm near. And it is the big Pride weekend tonight, or at least it's kicking off tonight. And I think this is going to be part of the Pride festivities. I think you can hear some of the commotion off in the distance. And if you were to continue going straight along the street, that'll take you to Liedestraat, I think it's called. That's a popular area. It's big on nightlife.
There's another crow statue.
And it's also right around the corner from the Rijksmuseum and the Van Gogh Museum. It seems as if the whole city is in the spirit of Pride this weekend. These flags are everywhere. And this is my hotel on the right. There's Cafe, I'm not sure how you say that. It hasn't actually been open anytime I've been awake. Apparently it opens for breakfast in the mornings. But this is the Hotel Mercier. It's been open for a few years. And normally here's where the bicycle parking would be, but they've locked up all their bikes and they're not lending them out this weekend because of the Pride festivities. But there are their garden rooms. I'm staying in the main building. So we'll head in and take a quick look at the lobby. They bill it as a 4-star boutique hotel. So this is the lobby area. restaurant and bar was behind closed doors over there. And this hotel certainly isn't without its quirks, which we'll be getting into shortly. I'm actually just taking us up to the 3rd floor. Hello. I wanted to show what some of the decor is like on this floor. They've got some interesting decorations between the floors. But apparently I can't get over to the stairwell. Oh, I guess that's that door around the corner. All right, I figured it out. So they've got decorations like this. And I thought we had booked a couple of standard rooms, but they told me it was a junior suite. And I'm on this floor. But inside here are apparently windowless rooms. I'm not sure what's going on with them. There's a skylight above, but I don't think they let in any natural light. Anyways, without further ado, here's my room, 401. Use these tags on the door just to clean your room or not. And I found every time I went out and I put that on my door, they're in here like right away cleaning it. So here's the room. And you might already notice some oddities. But first we'll talk about some of the good. I quite like the TV. I really don't think they could have found a better place to mount it. It's quite comfortable to watch from bed. You can plug your HDMI cables in there and watch from your laptop. There are heated floors in the bathroom. That's pretty good. And the air conditioning is good. All right, I think we're through with the positives. And you might be noticing one of the negatives right now. There's no privacy in the bathroom. So if you came with a friend, there's no way to close the space off and you can see right into the shower. Speaking of which, I find that the shower doesn't get too hot here, but the water in the bathtub, as well as the sink, can get extremely hot. So I'm not sure what that's all about. And there is no garbage can in the bathroom. I found that kind of weird. Although they do have one next to the toilet, and you think by the sink would be the more logical place for it. And on that note, we've got the toilet paper oriented this way, but it is very hard. I don't know what's up with all the toilet paper here, but it has all been hard as a rock. So yeah, that's it for the bathroom. Decent shower. There's a detachable shower head, but it would be nice if that was mounted a bit higher. A nice rainfall shower. It doesn't have overly good pressure. And a nice big soaker tub, which I used once. And there's a view out the window, which is decent. And as far as this space, you'll notice there's no closet or wardrobe. Instead, they just give you this folding screen with hooks. That seems like a bit of a hit and a miss, or more of a miss than a hit. There's also no minibar or fridge. As well, there's no ice machines in this hotel. That's a bit disappointing. There is a safe, of course. And the hand soap in the washroom disappeared. So house cleaning took that away and never replaced it. And at one point they took away one of my robes, which I've been using, and didn't replace it, and I had to ask for that back. The bed is reasonably comfortable. And I've been talking to some other people here who stayed at other hotels, and they've noticed some of the same quirks, such as no fridge, no ice, hard toilet paper. So I think those are all just par for the course in the Netherlands. This room is not cheap. It goes for about 200 to 300 euros per night. And I think this weekend it's on the high side, although I'll be leaving tomorrow morning. But the bed was comfortable. I didn't really hear too many other noises. You'll hear footsteps from the people walking around. But I was able to get a decent night's sleep. Full control over the AC. Some random artwork. And my famous dust test. Ooh. This is done better than all the luxury hotels in Toronto where I tried it. I think there's 48 rooms in this hotel. Would I stay here again? Probably not. I'd probably gravitate towards the Marriott or an international chain just so I know I could get some of the comforts I'm missing out on. I'm sure some people would have no problem staying here, but that is it. This was quick. There's not a whole lot more to say or to show you. And if I do remember, I'll come back and edit the video. But there we go. That was a very quick overview of the Hotel Mercier. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. And we're back. I just had a few things I wanted to add. There is free Wi-Fi. And this is the slowest I've seen it. Typically, the download's been at least 40. But I have been able to stream Discovery Plus and Netflix over a VPN. And I've been hooking this laptop up to the TV with an HDMI cable. And they give you a kettle for hot water and an espresso machine and espresso pods, a couple of tea bags, powdered cream and sugar, although there's a few excellent cafes right around the corner, and that's where I've been getting my morning coffees, or more like late afternoon coffees, as that's when I've been waking up. And there's some USB ports right beside both bedsides here, and European jacks, and you will want to bring your adapters with you if you have North American devices. Although if you have any devices that don't support over 200 volts, do not bring them because you will fry them. And I think that's about it. There's where I've been storing all my stuff, thanks to a lack of proper places to put your clothes in here. And my camera won't spin around. There we go. All right, so I mean it this time. Thank you for watching. And I will catch you on the next one.